All right, y'all. So part 3, let's get into it.
It's Slim Reshae, natural beauty. It's Slim Reshae, all about natural beauty. Yeah, Slim Reshae.
Alright guys, so this is part 3. This is going to be the last part of this makeup look. I just want, for my people who, maybe this is your day look and you're having a little date or something at night, or I don't know, if you just want a little bit more glam, maybe you're doing a photo shoot or something. If you want to be a little bit more glam, this is step 3, and we're gonna step it up a notch. And we're gonna take my from the beginner starter makeup kit, the Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette. This is in the shade medium to dark, and we're just gonna bronze. We're gonna bronze the face and add a little highlight. Still using my Profusion brushes, I'm gonna dip into the Sculpt shade, and we're gonna bronze the face a little bit. And I'm also going to dip into the contour shade to add a little bit more definition, because this foundation was already my summer shade, so it's already a little bit looking bronzy, and the nose already looks contoured. So we're going to add just a touch of this contour powder, and you see how that's really like giving you some definition and chiseling those jawline and cheeks and all of that. We're coming to form. We are coming to form, ladies and gentlemen. This is just if you want to add a little extra razzle dazzle. This video probably only gonna be like 3 to 5 minutes. You do your jawline in case if you have a little extra chin down there, or if you just want to chisel your chin. If you want to add a little bit of this to your lids in your like eyeshadow, like we did in the beginner makeup series, you could add a little. Add a little to the lids. We got a little bit more definition. Y'all see, this makeup really isn't that hard, and it's very buildable depending on what look you like to do. And I'm literally just sweeping this across my entire lid, and that added some definition. You could do up under your lip to add a little shadow to make your lip look extra pouty, like. And last but not least, we can go ahead and we can also add some of the highlighter shade from here. And there's a lot of drugstore highlighters that you can find. This brush is too big for this. Oh, they have a fan brush. Would you look at that? So we'll do the fan brush. Add a little highlight. Now we got a little glow going. Got a little glow going. You see how we're elevating? This look is just elevating. Here's a little Wet n Wild brush I'm gonna use just to highlight the tip of my nose. It's the nose highlight that really makes you look like, you know, oh, this is a basic baddie look. Because the nose highlight just takes you to another level of baddie. See the nose highlight, you could do a little inner corner highlight. You just see how you can just elevate by just doing little things. You do your brow bone. Yes. So these are from my baddies. You getting ready for the club real quick or something post-COVID. and you just adding a little razzle dazzle. And again, you can make sure you blend them out if it's a little too bold. Oh, and the last big step for my people who are doing a little extra razzle dazzle is going to be setting spray. So this is the last part of this little trio situation we got going on, but of course we got to do our little setting spray. And so y'all know I always recommend this Milani Make It Dewy setting spray because she gets the job done. Y'all see the glow already. And so we could just press that in. And y'all see how we went. Y'all see how the look elevated. Y'all seen it because y'all was watching. Y'all watch all 3 parts. And if this is the first part you're seeing and you ain't seen the other 3 parts, go back and watch so you can get the trio. But y'all, look. Y'all see how much that makeup look elevated, like literally just like that. Like, look it. Look it. Now I look like I got dimension. I'm adding a little bit more of this gloss because I like this gloss. We got dimension, we got glow, we got it all. Basic baddie. And the only stuff we added in addition to the first 5 products was concealer, setting powder, our contour palette, setting spray, 4 more products. So you can get this whole look with 10 products. Okay. She looks good. That's all I'm saying. I hope y'all enjoyed this little triage. I hope y'all enjoyed this little bop that I just did. Hopefully this is helpful for my beginners and shows you that, you know, makeup is really not as hard as it can sometimes seem to be. And you always have to practice. So of course, if you do it the first time and it don't come out good, that don't mean you're not. That just means you ain't that good at it yet. Like, you gotta keep practicing. You gotta learn your face. Learn to know, like, okay, my brows look better when I'm drawing like this, or it's easier for me to draw them with eyeshadow versus an eyebrow pencil. Like, you just have to keep practicing to kind of figure out what works best for you and what looks best on your face. And once you learn your face, that's when you feel like you're a makeup pro, because this is your canvas. You using the same canvas every day. It's like if you got a car, you drive that car every day, you get more and more familiar with it. So the more and more you practice your makeup, the more and more you get familiar with your face, what you like on your face, what you don't like, what works, what don't work. And you know, as a beginner, I know it can be hard, but don't be discouraged, because I literally am I am self-taught. And that's just from me practicing over and over, doing my makeup more often, watching tutorials and figuring out different techniques that different people use, testing them out, seeing if it works on me and stuff like that. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I love y'all so very much. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure you subscribe, join the Gem Squad. That basically means you're joining a community of people committed to loving themselves authentically and living a positive life. So go ahead and subscribe, like this video, leave me a comment so I can know what other beginner makeup videos y'all want to see. Also turn on your post notifications so you never miss an upload. And without further ado, y'all never forget, at the end of the day, without regrets, love yourself and be you to full. Bye guys.